Hello everybody, this is Micah with Food Travelers, and in this episode we share our experience staying at the Crown Plaza, Danang City Center by IHG. This hotel is located in the Danang area of Vietnam. And as you can see here in the video, I'm in the lobby and it's quite large. It is a very great spot to wait for your rideshare vehicle as you plan to head out for the day. Upon check-in, they did give us some welcome tea and I thought that was pretty nice of them. We stayed on the 26th floor, which is pretty high up. There are a total of 31 floors in this hotel. The 31st floor is the rooftop, which can only be accessed when there is an event. I went up there one day to check it out and staff immediately came up to ask what I was doing there and to state that we're actually not allowed up there. The rooftop is strictly for events, like I said, and it's kind of interesting. I kind of feel like it's a wasted area where they could have added a rooftop bar or something else up there. But like many other hotels, as you enter the elevator, you must scan your room key in order to select the floor that you are staying at. What I liked about staying here was the location. There was a lot of elevators and the floor we were staying in was not very crowded and it's not jam-packed with a lot of other rooms. We stayed at the junior suite, which is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath with a kitchenette and sitting area. By the door are the master switches for the lights. It does require you to have the room key in order to power the room, and we did ask the front desk for additional key for that purpose. And in the guest bath by the door, there is a large walk-in shower with waterfall style shower head. Both bathrooms have all the amenities with the shower gel, shampoo and conditioner, hand soap, lotion, and plenty of towels, of course. The bathroom door does not have a soft close, and if you let it hit the wall as you close it, it will actually bounce back. And it'll make a pretty loud sound too. And in the kitchenette, you do have a microwave, kettle for hot water, a Nespresso machine, complimentary drinking water, plenty of drawers, and a induction stove. So I did want to mention about the fridge. The fridge is a decent size. The bottom side of the fridge is very tight and it felt like it has never been opened, and it took a really good pull to be able to open it. The drinks inside the fridge are not free, and there is a sign on the top shelf with the cost for enjoying those beverages and snacks. And as you enter the rest of the room, you can see along the TV there's a little bit of bookshelf area, which is basically, I feel like it's kind of a waste of space or for decorations. The sitting area is quite large and it's actually very comfortable. It's very bright with all the lights. There was complimentary fruits and welcome chocolates, macaroons upon check-in, and a welcome drink in the lobby, as I mentioned before. I thought the macaroons and chocolates were pretty tasty. Kind of wish there was an option to get additional of them, but I did not see any bakery down below for buying them. On one of the days while we were staying here, the speakers above was making an announcement. It was really early in the morning. I think it was like 4 or 5 a.m. about some sort of fire drill. I thought, man, this is gonna be really bad staying in the 26th floor. Later on, they did make another announcement that we did not have to vacate the property. And later I did find out that it was somebody smoking in a non-smoking room. And that is a very serious offense, and I'm pretty sure they got fined for it. And there is another bookshelf on the other side of, or actually between the two rooms. Again, doesn't serve very much a purpose there, mainly for decoration. The view is quite nice. I spent a lot of time just watching outside while I was staying there. The view at night was even nicer with all the lights in and everything. Definitely a really enjoyable experience there. I definitely spent a lot of time just sitting there, just watching outside, watching the ferry boats or cruise ships just going by in the Han River there. Entering the guest room with the twin bed. It's a small closet. The view is pretty similar. There is a closet with a robe and slippers inside besides the bed. There are also drawers, wall plugs with USB plugs as well. From the bed, you do have a pretty nice view of the outdoor. And if you are sensitive to light at night, you can certainly use the double curtains to black out the room to sleep. And as you can see in the closet, it's pretty small. There's just enough space to hang a couple shirts or a jacket and maybe a small bag. And at night time, the Novotel does light up pretty bright. So if you are sensitive to light, you should definitely or close those curtains there. As you enter the master bedroom, there is a luggage storage on one side, and along with a scale. On the other side is another closet area with a safe deposit box, ironer, iron board, umbrella, robe, coat hangers, and of course the laundry bag as well. As I was traveling here with my parents, my mom is on a wheelchair and they were very accommodating with adding in a bath seat and adding some rails for the bathroom. In the master bathroom, you can see it's smaller than the guest bathroom. There is, however, a bathtub in there, and all the amenities are in the same for both bathrooms. The door is also not a soft close. Water pressure in the bathroom is definitely, in the shower is definitely nice. It's definitely very good pressure, very nice and warms up very hot very quickly. And then alongside of the bed is a table with plenty of plugs, a phone. The wall where the TV is mounted on does not have any storage. It's just a wall that separates to the guest's bedroom. If the TV is turned up to volume 30 or louder, you can definitely hear it from the other room. I thought the room was designed quite well and feels very modern with all the plugs offering that they have with USB-A and USB-C outlets. The table next to the bed does not have a drawer. And the smaller windows give a view of the backside of the hotel. From this window, you can actually see the Danang Bay area. I want to add, the room doors are quite heavy, and there is a mechanism where you can keep them open in place as you open the door, which is quite useful, especially if you're just leaving for the day or you just want to keep the doors open. Overall, I thought it was a great stay. It was a very convenient location. The staff was very friendly and welcomed you with a warm smile. And the rooms are very spacious. I definitely will stay here again in the future when I come back to Danang.
If you've enjoyed the content you've seen, don't forget to support the channel and hit like and subscribe. And if you want to see additional pictures of food and our travels, go over to our Instagram page and follow us there. And thanks for watching.